This must be seen as the impartial will of the prefect.
The Queen says no court in England can be impartial.
I think it's impossible to find a fair and impartial jury anywhere in Mississippi.
Inspector Hearn, who has given his testimony in a fair and impartial manner, as he always does.
Right, so the FBI is here. They're ready to take his statement to ensure
I say that you cannot administer a wicked law impartially.
Myself to be impartial to evidence, but
we must look at the facts.
Even impartial towards the gloriously endowed. Miss Wex.
I replied, we need a Roman seal. This must be seen as the impartial will of the prefect.
And not yours.
We see.
From your Majesty's witnesses, the Queen says no court in England can be impartial. She appeals directly to Rome.
But you are impossible to find a fair and impartial jury here in Canton. In fact, I think it's impossible to find a fair and impartial jury anywhere in Mississippi. And as such, a jury...
Among the witnesses, you have heard Chief Inspector Hearn, who has given his testimony in a fair and impartial manner, as he always does in these cases. He has evolved and put before...
This is going to implicate too many people, all right? So the FBI is here. They're ready to take his statement to ensure impartiality. But I cannot have this go over the air, all right? So
Influence the court's impartial administration of the law. I say that you cannot administer a wicked law impartially. You can only destroy, you can only punish. And
I have trained myself to be impartial to evidence, but surely...
We must look at the facts impartially. We can't get past the alarm.
Very sight of him, and you are mistaken. I am even impartial towards the gloriously endowed. Miss Wexford.
I cannot do this.
Stolen government.
This leak will make a fair trial impossible. My client, Mr. DeLorean, will never find an impartial jury.
Say we're talking basic constitutional rights here.
You overthink a very clear-cut issue. He's a rotten judge, not impartial as he's vowed to be, crushing a woman and her kids simply because he has the power to...
You got a point there. But you would cooperate with an impartial investigation, right?
Passing through.
I don't care what he is. If it wasn't for him, your impartial chief of police would still have the wrong man behind bars. I want that all.
A fair and impartial opportunity is all we ask. Nothing that you yourself...
But what we need are honest, non-biased police officers.
Finally brought him to our republic. Nothing could more clearly demonstrate the impartiality of Lemus than this, that he still refuses, for reasons...
I sequester the jury for the remainder of this trial. A reminder of your solemn oath to remain impartial, to weigh the evidence, and